Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 9. Today we will do fill in the blanks of this chapter. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is chapter 9. Today we will do filling the blanks of page number 23 to 24. And this is lecture number 2. And our today's HW number will be 2 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, when you will watching this class, please open your book. Look at here, this is page number 23 and here is some fill in the blanks, and from the bottom of this page you can see here is some words, and we will fill up these blanks with these words. Let's see one number fill in the blanks. Here is we must take dash every day. Look at this picture. Here is a picture. He is taking bath. We must take bath. Answer will be we must take bath every day. From this box you can see here is written bath. So we are going to take this word bath and we will write here we must take bath every day. Right here bath, spelling B-A-T-H. We must take bath every day. 2 number, we use dash to clean the floor. Look at here, this is a picture of mop, and we use this mop for cleaning our floor. We use a dash. So here will be the word we use a mop. From this box, look at here, here is a written mop. Now we will take this word from here and we will write here mop. M-O-P, mop. We use a mop to clean the floor. Next one, here is 3 number. We must dash our teeth regularly. We must brush our teeth regularly. From this box we can see here is a word brush. We are taking this word now and we will write here we must brush our teeth regularly. Brush spelling B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush our teeth regularly. Now 4 number, we should comb our dash regularly. From this book, from this box, here is written here we should comb our hair regularly. So we are taking this word here and we will write this word here. We should comb our hair. Here spelling H-A-I-R, here. 5 number, we should keep our room dash. We should keep our room tidy. From this box, here is the word tidy. We will take this word for 5 number and we'll write here. We should keep our room tidy. Tidy spelling T-I-D-Y. Next one, 6 number. We should always throw garbage in the dash. From this box, here is only one word left, dustbin. We will write here dustbin. We should always throw garbage in the dustbin. Dustbin spelling is D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Students, now come to here this page 24 number page. Here is same fill in the blanks. We will do the same way. Look at here. Here is another box, and we will take a word from this box and we will write here. One number. For one number, before and after eating we must wash our hands. Here will be hands. Look at here. In this box, here is the word hands. Before and after eating we must wash our hands. We will write here hands. Hands spelling is H-A-N-D-S, hands. Now 2 number, we should trim our dash regularly. We should trim our hair. From this box you can see here is a word hair. We should trim our hair regularly. Next 3 number, we must trim our nails when they are dash, when they are long. Look at here, this box, here is the word long. Now we are taking this word for 3 number and we will write here long. Long spelling L-O-N-G, long. Now for 4 number, we should always wear dash clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Look at here, this box, we are taking this word clean and we will write here clean. Now clean spelling is C-L-E-A-N, clean. Now 5 number, we should use dash while taking bath. We should use soap. Look at here, here is the word soap. We are taking this word and we will write here soap spelling is S-O-A-P, soap. Now 6 number, we must keep our classroom dash. We must keep our classroom neat. Look at here, here is only one word left. We will write here neat, N-E-A-T, neat. So dear students, I have finished today's fill in the blanks. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 2 number HW. Your HW will be filling the blanks of page number 23. Here is total 6 filling the blanks. That means 1 to 6 will be your HW. Look at here students. Here is total 6 fill in the blanks of page number 23. This 6 fill in the blanks will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.